This is a Type-C to 3.5mm connector, and this is the one which we got in the ROG3 box. Even though this might look very simple, but it's not. Have you ever wondered why there is a latency of 2 seconds in the beginning when you insert this in the phone? Well, you will know all these details in this video. This is your host Abhinav. You are watching All About Apps, and if this is the first time you visiting here, please hit the subscribe button, and if you feel you learned anything new today, like this video. I bought the Vyona Type-C to 3.5mm connector and I was very much excited to post the video on it, but unfortunately these did not work. The moment I inserted these in the phone, I got this notification, so I had to look for other options. And then I bought the connector from Portronics, which is a well-known brand, and let's do its unboxing. The box has a few details on it and we are going to test all of these in this video. It's a little bit dirty as well, but I really don't care as long as these are compatible with ROG3. Let's open this box, and the only thing that is present here is the connector, and I did not find any manual or user guide with this. This is the Type-C port. We have the aux input here which has the brand name on it. The quality of the connector is very good, it feels premium and no issues here. It's almost similar to the one we got with ROG3, just the color is white. The Type-C portion is little bit shorter if we compare it with these. Before going into the testing part, let me share some knowledge on this. Basically guys, this adapter has a chipset in it, and it's DAC chip, which stands for digital to analog converter, and this chip is required because the signal coming in the Type-C port is digital and the signal compatible with the earphones are only analog signals, so a conversion is needed, which is done by DAC. And this is the reason I said this adapter is not as simple as it looks, and this chip is also the reason for the 2-second latency. That's why you could see most of the adapter in the local market are not supported by this phone because they don't have DAC in them. Let's do some testing now and insert this in the phone. I don't see any notification, and let's connect a earphone to this adapter. The first thing which I wanted to test is the noise level. In case you don't know, there are 30 volume levels in this phone, and I was not able to hear any music till volume level 7 or 8, and there is a constant noise that you will be hearing till volume level 12. But the good thing is that the noise level does not increase with the increase in volume, so at high volume you will not notice this noise. Comparing it with the default adapter, I did not feel any difference in the audio quality at higher volumes, but yes, as I said before, at lower volume you will hear the noise. This connector also supported the control buttons. I was able to play and pause the videos and music, and I was also able to connect and disconnect calls. I could also see the stereo sound working, which is really important while playing games like PUBG. This connector also supports microphone, and as you would have guessed it, it's my voice from the earphones mic, which is connected to ROG3 via connector. The built-in DAC chip supports 24-bit 96 kHz music. There are also other adapters with higher resolution DAC in them, which will have better sound quality and higher sampling rate, but also comes with increase in cost. The Type-C Joy earphones, which I had reviewed in my previous video, also had the same resolution and sampling rate, and if in case you haven't watched that video, you should watch them because they are the cheapest Type-C earphones compatible with ROG3. I'll be having the link in description. I bought these for 400 Indian rupees, and it's available for the same price on Flipkart and Amazon, and wherever it's cheaper on the given day, you can buy it from there. So guys, I think I have covered all the aspects of this adapter, and let me know if you have any questions by commenting below. Thanks for watching and have a great day.